Let's look at multiplication and division of decimals. The first one, we have 0.34. Multiply this with 2.2. So we start multiplying. 2 times 4, that will be 8. 2 times 3, that will be 6. You don't put the decimal point as of yet. You go 2 times 0, that will be 0. Now the secret is when you're coming to multiply the second number, you skip 1 from the last one. So in this case, we are not going to start from 8, but we shall start for the next number from 6. So we shall have 2 times 4, that will be 8. Instead of writing 8 there, we write it under 6. 2 times 3, that will be 6. 2 times 0, that will be 0. And then at last we add 8 plus nothing, that will be 8. 6 plus 8, that will be 14. So we write 4, we carry 1. 1 plus 0, that will be 1, plus 6, that will be 7. And then we add this 0. Now when we're coming to put the decimal point, we count how many numbers do we have after each decimal point. 1, 2, 3. These 3 numbers are the only numbers which are after these 2 decimal points. So we count from here. 1, 2, 3. This is where we put our decimal point. So our final answer will be 0.748. We have 0.432. Multiply this with 4.3. We still use the same criteria. 3 times 2, that will be 6. We write 6. 3 times 3, that will be 9. We write 9. 3 times 4, that will be 12. So we write 2. We don't put the decimal point yet. We carry 1. 3 times 0, that will be 0 plus 1, that will be 1. Now when you come to the second one, I said you skip the last number, you start from the second last number. 4 times 2, that will be 8. 4 times 3, that will be 12. So you write 2, you carry 1. 4 times 4, that will be 16, plus 1, that will be 17. You write 7, you carry 1. 4 times 0, that will be 0, plus 1, that will be 1. And then at last, you come and add. This is 6. 9 plus 8, that will be 17. So you write 7, you carry 1. 1 plus 2, that will be 3, plus 2, that will be 5. 1 plus 7, that will be 8. And then 1. Now when you're putting the decimal point, you make sure you count how many numbers are there after each decimal point. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we start counting from the last number. 1, 2, 3, 4. So our decimal point will be there. Number 3 is 0.27. We can write this number divided by 0.3. This same number can be written as 0.27 divided by 0.3. It's still the same number. Now, for easy division, we make sure we eliminate the decimal points. And we eliminate the decimal points by multiplying it with its appropriate decimal place. In this case, we have 0.3. So this is to 10th. We multiply this by 10. We are going to, if we had like 27 down here, we're going to multiply it by 100 so that we remove the decimal point from it. In this case, we have 0.3, so we multiply this by 10. Now what you do down is the exact thing you do up. Or we also go up and multiply this by 10. So when we multiply 0.27 times 10, we shall have 2.7. Divide this by 0.3 multiplied by 10, we shall have 3. 27, 2.7, divide that by 3, 1. 2 by 3 will go 0. You put a point, you put the 2 down here. So 27 divided by 3, that will be 9. So our final answer will be 0.9 divided by 1, which is equal to 0.9. Number 4 is 12.5. Divide this number 2.5. The same way, we can arrange it like this. 12.5, divide this by 2.5. We want to eliminate this 0.5, so we multiply this by 10 down, we multiply by 10 up. So that 12.5 multiplied by 10, that will be 125. Divide by 2.5 times 10, that will be 25. And we reduce this number by 5, will be 5. 12 by 5, that will be 2 because of 10 remaining 2. 25 by 5 will be 5. By 5 will be 1. 25 by 5, that will be 5. So 5 out of 1 is the same as 5.